Yo, what's up guys? You know, I have made tons of miniature DIY electronics projects in the past, like a tiny liquid cooled gaming PC, a tiny FPV car and much more. This time I'm excited to present you this adorable mini Macintosh, but here's the cool part. It's actually a weather station and I built it using only two main components. So without further ado, let's dive right in. This video is sponsored by Altium 365, the world's first cloud-based platform for electronic hardware development. Altium 365 allows your entire team to work together seamlessly from anywhere around the world. With Altium 365, you can securely collaborate in real time, manage your design and components, and streamline your entire development process from concept to production. Say goodbye to disorganized process and hello to smarter, more efficient way of working. Design the future with the Altium 365, where your next great idea comes to life. And if you're a student who wants to kickstart your career in electronics design, check out Altium Student Lab. Get free access to Altium Designer and Altium 365, collaborate with your friends and earn a certificate recognized by top industries in India. Boost your skill and build your resume all at no cost with your university email. Start today and learn real skills that lead to real jobs. Click in the description to get started. The first component we need is this display. I got this display from DF Robot. I wanted a square display and this one is the perfect choice. The second component is a microcontroller. I'm using this ESP32C6 from DF Robot. Since this is an IoT project, the ESP32C6 is ideal because we are pulling out all the data from the internet. That means no physical sensor are needed, just these two components. We'll first prototype the project on a breadboard, so grab your breadboard and some jumper wires and let's get started. Alright, connections are done. Now let's move on to the codes. Here are the codes we came up with, super simple. Let's upload it and see how it works. As you can see, it works great. It displays the time, then it changes the screen and shows the date and year, and then the weather along with the city name. Simple and smooth, right? Now let's take it one step further and design a case for it to give it that classic Macintosh look. A lot of you guys have been asking me which software I use for 3D designing, so I use Fusion 360. And here's my final design. It looks super cute. I can't wait to print it on my 3D printer. Speaking of which, let me introduce you to my brand new 3D printer, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max. This thing is massive. It has build volume of 420 by 420 by 480 mm, so you can print something as big as 1.3 foot cube. Can you believe it? It also has dual Z-axis motors, prints up to 5 mm per minute, features a direct drive extruder, excellent cooling mechanism and ton of other features. And the best part, it comes at super competitive price. I have provided the links in the description, so make sure to check it out. Alright, as you can see, the print turned out amazing. The print quality is top notch and this mini Macintosh is looking adorable. Now let's gather all the parts and begin the assembly. The ESP32C6 has built-in charging circuit, so I'm adding this battery to make it rechargeable. This makes it more convenient than constantly using a cable. So finally guys, the project is complete and it turned out great. I think it's looking super cute. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this project come together. You can place this wherever you like, but personally I would like to keep it near my workspace. All the project files are available through channel membership, or you can access them free after 45 days. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting projects. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.